welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect your Slack with Google Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your Slack with Google Sheets, all you gotta do is simply open and use your Slack's workflow builder. You don't need any code for it. You can simply get logged in into your Slack and then start working. So you need a Slack app in your device to have your sign up process completing in Slack. You cannot just do it from your website. So you need to get your Slack app and start working. So once you have delved down into Slack, all you gotta do is simply go and tap on your Slack's directory and search for Google Sheets. So here you can simply tap on add to Slack and connect a Google account. You will then be prompted to authorize Slack. So you can simply give authorization to Slack and connect a Google account easily. After you have done this, you need to create a workflow and add a Google Sheet step. Once this is done, you need to configure the particular step and save and publish your workflow. So this is how you can simply connect Slack with Google Sheets. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.